Hello viewers, welcome to our channel English Tube. In this video, we will learn and write essay on my pet parrot. For more such videos, consider subscribing to our channel and hit that bell icon so that you never miss an update from our channel. First line is, I have a pet parrot. Second line is, its name is Mitu. Third line is, it can copy words that I say. Fourth line is, it loves to eat fruits and seeds. Fifth line is, it uses its beak to crack open nuts. Sixth line is, it lives in a big cage in our living room. Seventh line is, it is very playful. Eighth line is, it takes baths in a small water bowl. Ninth line is, it makes me laugh with its funny dances. Last line is, I love it very much.